Hello students, welcome to channel Maths Mint by Kamlesh. Today I shall solve for class 11 Maths exercise 3.3 question number 1 and 2 from NCERT book. Chapter is trigonometric functions. I hope you will please like, share and subscribe this channel. Thanks. Question is proof that. First question is sine square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 minus tan square pi by 4 equal to minus 1 by 2. So we shall, this side is called LHS and this is RHS, you might be knowing. So this is LHS. LHS will be this sine square pi by 6 can be written as sine pi by 6 whole square plus cos pi by 3 whole square minus tan pi by 4 whole square. Okay, so sine pi by 6, pi by 6 means what? Pi by 6. If we shall multiply it by 180, so this will be, this pi will be 180. So in the place of pi we are writing 180 because value of pi and 100 equal, so it will be 30 degree. So we can learn 6 pi by 6 is equal to 30 degree, or if in table we have read in class 10 that sine 30 is equal to 1 by 2. So at this place we can write 1 by 2 square plus cos, this will be cos pi by 3, so pi is equal to 180 by 3 will be 60 degree, right? So pi by 3 means 60 degree. So it also comes in the table which we have already read in class 10. So cos 60 degree is equal to 1 by 2 also, 1 by 2 square minus tan pi by 4 is equal to 1. So it is 1 square. It will be 1 by 4. 1 square is equal to 1, 2 square is equal to 4. Likewise, it will be 1 by 4 minus 1. 1 you can write 1 by 1. So LCM of 4, 4, 1 will be 4. So 4 divided by 4 will be 1. 1 multiplied by 1 will be 1. In the same manner, it will be 1 and this will be minus 1 minus divided by 4 is equal to 4. 4 is multiplied by 1 is equal to 4. So it became 1 plus 1, 2 minus 4 by 4 equal to minus 2 by 4. By 2 we are cutting it, minus 1 and by 2, so equal to minus 1 by 2. So this is the RHS minus 1 by 2. So we can write here LHS is equal to RHS proved. Right? It is easy question, only you should know the value of different angles in context of pi, or directly like 30 degree, sine 30 degree, cos 60 degree, this value you must know. Only then we can solve this. Okay. Second question is 2 sine square pi by 6. By seeing this 2, we should not be afraid. We should write LHS. 2 will remain here and it will be sine pi by 6 whole square plus cosec square means 7 pi by 6 whole square into, means write into because it dot it is very small, sometimes it is overlooked, so we are giving at the place of dot multiplication sign, so it will be cos pi by 3 square, right? So it will be 2 sine pi by 6, sine pi by 6 we have already, pi by 6 is equal to 1 by 2, so into 1 by 2 square, again plus at this place of 7 pi we can write cosec 6 pi plus pi by 6. 7 pi, at the place of 7 pi we can write 6 pi plus pi. This after Adding this, it becomes 7 pi, 6 is here, and cos pi by 3 is equal to 1 by 2. So it will be multiplied 1 by 2 square, right? Again, 2 into 1 by 4, 1 by 2 square is equal to 1 by 4, plus by this 6 we can write a split here. We can split 6x plus pi, 6 pi plus pi, we can split like this, cosec 6 pi by 6 plus pi by 6, because this 6 is applicable for 6 pi also and pi also. So after splitting this term, 6 pi by 6 we can write, 6 by 6 we can write, and it will be into 1 by 4. So it is 6 is cancelled by 6, so it will be pi plus pi by 6, means in the form of pi plus theta, pi plus theta. So we know that since cosec pi plus theta is equal to minus cosec theta, this is the formula we are knowing. So it will be 2 will be cancelled by it, 2 1 by 2 plus cosec pi plus pi by 6 into 1 by 4. So what happened? It is 1 by 2 and by cosec pi plus theta. Pi by 6 means theta. So it is minus cosec theta. So we can write here minus cosec, at the place of theta we are writing pi by 6 into 1 by 4. So it will be 1 by 2 minus cosec pi by 6 is equal to 2. So it will be 2. Sorry, it is a square here. This cosec 7 pi by 6 square, so everywhere a square will come. Okay, so this will be a square into 1 by 4. This is plus here. So what happened? 1 by 2 minus 2 into minus 2 will be 4, plus 4 into 1 by 4. This 4 and 4 will be cancelled. So it will be 1 by 2 plus 1. After taking LCM, it will be 2. 2 divided by 2 will be 1. 1 into 1 will be 1. This we can consider 1 at the place of denominator. So 2 divided by 1 is equal to 2. Again multiply 2 by 1 will be 2. So it will be 1 plus 2, 3 by 2. This is our RHS 3 by 2. So we can say that LHS is equal to RHS proved. Right? In this question, what we have seen, we must know the different angles value for different trigonometrical functions. One thing. Second thing, formula cosec pi plus theta is equal to minus cosec theta. This formula you should know. And after doing this, and second thing is, if the pi is more than the denominator, so we should split it, either 6, so it 7, it will be 6 pi plus pi, and thereafter we shall simplify it. Answer is very easy. If you like, please share and subscribe this channel, and if you have any difficulty, kindly write in comment box, I will answer it.